Telegram background download not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix if Telegram's background download is not working, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to fix if the background download for Telegram is actually not working, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Telegram application here, and then from here make sure to tap the three lines option from the top left and then simply navigate to the option called settings. Once you navigate to settings, here you'll find one of the options called data and storage. Make sure to tap on it, and here you can see a list of all these options. You want to make sure to actually reset the auto download settings over here if you have customized any of that settings, and here at the bottom you should be able to see a little of those options as well. Now once you've done that, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and then actually long press the Telegram app icon and come to the app info page. From here you can simply go to storage and then make sure to clear the cache files here, and then from there open up your Play Store, check if your Telegram app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you will be able to go ahead and then fix if your Telegram's background download isn't working. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.